Hey guys, what's up? Welcome to another RMA Fire tutorial. This is a short preview of a new premium tutorial that I just released, which is going to cover how you can mix different kinds of materials for cookie destruction. In this case, it's a chocolate with some interesting liquids on the inside, something similar to honey. You can check it out here. And we'll be looking into from modeling stages how I am modeling it so that the inside stuff reacts well once we pipe it into MPM. Then we'll be prepping the MPM solvent from scratch using some of the already pre-built tools that Houdini comes with. And then we're going to look into how these different kinds of materials can be set up in ways that we can control them post-simulation for applying different materials, meshing the things separately, and ultimately getting some beautiful simulation results. We'll cover a few different sort of options on the simulation, from like thicker fluids to something a little bit less viscous, and we'll also look into ways into controlling the attributes so that we can have some parts of the chocolate break more than others, creating those fancy beautiful edges that we're used to seeing on this kind of simulation. Last, we'll look into how we can mesh it and prep it for rendering and control, like I said, the different simulations with different meshes. Don't forget to like, follow us, and please, guys, subscribe.